What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to help Tyler install his compass on his Forester. Right now I'm in my garage, so I'm just waiting on him. And for right now I'm just going to work on some headlights or maybe some corner lights. No, I should do some headlights. So I'm going to do some Genesis headlights. And then just wait for him. So I'll start back recording once he gets here. So yeah, this vlog will be more of a chill Forester content vlog. Nothing too boring like me building headlights. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Light though. Woo. We got the big boss man here. Ooh, what are we doing? We're trading some coilovers for a compass. Hey. We got the beat up files right here. Looking all beat up files with swirls and crack paints.
I think we all have swirls and crack paints.
No, I got the worst swirls and crack paints. And we got the stock one. We got the new Forester owner right here.
Yeah, it's clean. It's fucking clean though.
We got a Forester meet going on.
The cool thing is that I jacked the formats off of a guy. He's like, don't touch anything. I was like, oh, I didn't come with formats like this.
We got the rubber too. Ooh.
The rubber. Oh, yours is leather, huh? Hey.
That's the limited, right? That's the limited. Yeah, because it came with compass. It's got heated seats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the passenger one doesn't work. But they're torn.
So that's why unplugged.
No, I tried it. It's like jammed. Like you can check, it's jammed.
The motor or the button?
The button.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the switch. It's probably like fucking soda.
I see a lot of switches on eBay for like a couple bucks.
I was thinking I could get it off of another model, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
And the cool thing is that my old one had more rust, and this one doesn't.
That's good.
Then you upgraded then. Even though it's auto.
Mm-hmm.
It's clean though.
You can open it.
Body's straight.
I want to know. Ooh, we got an armrest.
Oh man, Jay, remember what it was like?
You guys don't have them, or what?
Back in the day when your fenders were straight
I know.
and not like mine, all crispy bacon.
Trying to miss stock body.
No, your shit is badass.
Ivan's did this shit too. You can just take a zip tie from the back and.
You guys don't live that far from me. I live like literally behind Food Max.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We are going to take this off. Oh.
Super jealous of Danny that you have S-Stocks.
Oh yeah.
I like these. I'm not gonna lie to you, these. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, those are really nice.
Hey, I'll trade you, but I only have 3.
Where's your screwdrivers at?
I give him one. I have a rusty ass one that my friend has laying around.
There's a pic right there next to my computer with the little swivel. I mean the little, what's it called?
What?
That pencil holder thing. Orange handle. My pick.
And what, a Phillips?
Yeah, I got
Oh, you
Phillips.
already got a Phillips.
I got a Philly
boy.
Philly cheesesteak.
Fools, do your fucking headliner. You don't have material, huh?
Nope.
You don't want to make that like a weekend, like a day project.
I was thinking about it.
Let's go.
Pop this one off.
This locks into this.
Oh, you have all the screws. You're cooler than me. You have all the screws.
Where's your
I don't
Phillips?
have any screws.
Where's your Phillips at?
Where did I put it? Right there. Yeah, so we gotta take these screws off, and then we gotta pop this thing off, and then you gotta pop this trim off, and then we can pop that off. That's dumb.
Yeah. That's Subaru though.
Yeah.
That's like almost any car though. You know why they do that shit, right? It's for like theft and shit. So someone just can't like rack your shit out and fucking take all your shit.
Yeah, but this shit gonna get broke. I'm gonna rip everything off. Who cares about screws?
What's in here?
It should pop off, yeah. And then probably if you have
Take
screws,
this off.
they'll
No,
be-
that should just pop right off. But just be careful with it.
there you go.
It's brittle. It's a brittle boy.
And then screws right here.
Which ones? Those things.
Oops, too much room.
Oh, fuck. These ones in here?
And we got two screws right there, right here, and then it should pop off.
Can you get down?
We got that bitch off 10 years later.
You see what I was saying? How like the compass is disconnected right here,
Yeah,
and how people are shaving them because they can't find that piece or whatever.
yeah. I think Nick cut his too.
I think you did.
Yeah. Let's put something custom right here.
Just put an iPad.
Oh, I seen that they did that. They did that on other cars. I seen it on other cars. No, there's this other stereo, the Android stereo that came out. It's basically like how your stereo is the back, the motherboard, and then it's like a big ass screen.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get.
I'm not even
Those are like $300 to $400. And I think the screen comes off
Where's
too.
the other little?
like a tablet or something.
Yeah.
You know where the other little one went?
Alright, so we are checking my wiring because Tyler doesn't have his. Trying to see how everything works. So I'm just gonna take my shit out. And we got it off. Well, it's not hooked up yet, but we got it in. We got it in. You know what I'm saying? Ow. Nice. All we gotta do is do the powering down and the wiring, and we'll get it.
I wonder what are they, cookie? Those cookie towers?
And these guys are drug dealing right here. LED bulbs.
Yeah.
We got Danny over here. What up?
You have something on your head. Like a little nest.
What the hell? This shit's on my head. Oh, this is from my garage. Little fucking spider webs and bees. What do you got there? Drugs?
Yeah.
LEDs?
I have the stock ones, and I literally just, like when I was taking that off, I literally put them on.
Yeah.
So if you need some of those, I can just shoot you those too.
No.
Upgraded LED bulbs.
I don't know, because like sometimes they're super dim in the morning when it's fucking cold. Oh, so I don't know what the fuck. Like this whole side was off yesterday morning.
Fancy interior, man.
And you can get one of those. I feel like chopping.
Ouch.
No, just so like if it doesn't work.
Oh,
Damn.
cut it? I just on it out.
You guys got Bluetooth.
So bright.
That's what I want to do. I want to run my headline to a switch.
To the switch, yeah. I can get more of those relay remotes.
Because all I want to do is like to the rear sig glider. And it's first getting powered, so I just want to fucking
Hit button for it.
hit a button so I can turn it on and I have the key.
Yeah. Cause I want to turn it on without turning on my car.
Yeah, that draining shit.
Danny over there going tinkle. I see your shadow. I hear some kind of liquid coming out of your body. What? You see a little shrimp? Shrimp gang. Little shrimp gang. Was that Patty? Shrimp gang? Supreme Patty. Shrimp gang.
Whatever happened to that guy?
I have no idea.
Damn, those things are bright.
Everybody heading out. Danny Sf5. I'll put his Instagram on the video. Tyler. Let's do this more, guys. Let's do this more.
Already, I'm down. We all live close.
Yeah.
Let's figure out that beat like tonight.
Yeah, we'll do we'll call it a Foz Fest. No, it's Christmas. So maybe like sometime next month. And then we'll do like a flyer. And then whoever comes, but as long as we go, then it's fine. You guys want to just chill or like do like a barbecue?
Oh shit, is that my car? Is that you? Was that you? The smoke?
I don't know, I think I got it on video.
Shit on me.
Your car is vaping. It's happy it meets other Foresters, so it's a vaping.
That would finally be cool.
Yeah. It was first me, and then Nick, and then Tyler, and then Alex, and then.
Does what's his face on the green one? Does he have an exhaust?
Yeah, I think
Okay,
he just got it.
Yeah, I've seen him a while back too.
Yeah.
And then I have another buddy, the one I'm gonna go install him with. He's trying to fuck with one. But he's like iffy about it.
Tell him, dude. Just have him drive yours. Especially, have fun with it going off road.
Oh hell no.
Oh, I had fun before I had mine. I went off road with mine. Yeah, it was tight.
Oh, I didn't see that hit right there. I'm gonna use those splinters.
Ooh. You know what? I think I have one. Yeah. Let me check. My Forester buddies, they're going away. Oh, your oil pan. Oh, that's a $100 oil leak I had to clean up. I gotta charge you $100.
That's alright. I'll bring in my pressure gun.
I'm just kidding. Everybody leaks. Everybody's cars leak. Later. Ooh. Damn. That fitment though. Killing me. Damn, the headliner killing me. Damn. Yeah, you're going off road. See, I told you. Later, guys.
Later.
I think he said later you got a big dick, but I wasn't sure. Danny, let me know if you said that. I'm not too sure if you did, but thank you. That's a compliment. Alright. I forgot to mention that me and Danny traded trim pieces. Can't really see it. Scary ass door. It's a ghost. What the hell? Yeah, I got wood trim pieces. I don't know, you can't really see. I wish my flash was working, but I got the wood here, got the wood here, and wood here. And I got wood. Wood. I'll see if I like it. Or I'll probably take a photo and then I'll edit on the video so you guys can see. I'm not too sure about all the wood. I feel like it's too much wood for me, but it might grow on me, so I'm not too sure. And then that. We'll see. If you guys like it, let me know in the comment section down below. For right now, it's too much wood for me, but it might grow on me. But I might think about painting this half black. Yeah, this is the bottom half black, so it matches with the wood. And then probably find black these. But yeah, let me know. Hey guys, that's a little kickback, chill vlog meet. Some Forster content for you guys. Hopefully we're gonna have some more because we plan to have. Well, we might try to find but start a little meet, a little Forster meet, trying to make it big. So hopefully if we do, then we got more Forster content for you guys. But yeah, so we got a new guy in a little Forster group, so we'll be chilling more, hopefully. I haven't been out, but a lot of rambling, but yeah, it's cold. I get back inside. I gotta bring my car inside. But if you guys like the video, you guys new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye, have a great time.
Perfect.